Hey guys, I'm going to try to do a quick recording on how to create this puzzle. So I've already cut out the box in the center here and I've printed it front to back so that it has a front and a back side. And all you're going to do to set this up is wherever you see a matching letter, tape A and tape A, you're just going to tape those boxes together. So in this example, tape A and tape A here, you're just going to fold that over, and instead of tape, I'm going to actually glue it together. And you're just going to glue this box up here, okay? And you'll do the same down for B down here. You'll fold it over. So I'm holding the camera, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll turn it back on. Okay, so I've glued A up here, and I've glued the square B down here. You can see that it's glued together. And now you're going to do the same with D. So I'm just going to fold this over to where D matches that. I'm just going to glue under here, and we'll do the same with C up here. All right. Okay, so now I've made all the glue spots, I guess. Now what you'll have is you'll have this never-ending puzzle, and so you have 4 different puzzles that the students will have to solve. Depending on which way you fold it, you'll be able to get different clues. So this particular one is clue 1, and then if you fold it this way, you're going to get another clue this way. And as you start to play with it, you'll get different clues based on how you fold it. And students will figure that out. But I just wanted to show you, kind of quickly what that looked like. And you can see that when it's folded incorrectly, it's not going to look right. So here's a clue right here. All right, hopefully that helps give you a little model of what the ultimate product is going to look like.